So this is a quick test of the 22 cal single loader with the like a single loader with the 17 rounds. So there's the blank one there, so you can load it up at home. They won't fall out. Yep. So yep. So that's slide that in there, hold that there, and we've got the probe here, so we can see. So that's the first one. Call that good. 2, oops, 3, 4, 5, obviously 6, going right into the transfer port there, so that's nice. 7, oops, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, should be one more, famous last word, yeah, 17, and then the blank. So 22 cal done. 177 next. Well, not on video, I'm going to make it first.